Hey, what's up traders? Today, we're diving into one of the most well-known yet risky strategy in binary auctions, the loss recovery system, also known as Martingale strategy. Is a method to recover losses by increasing your trade size after every loss. But is it really that simple? Let's break it down. So historically, this strategy comes from casino, specifically roulette. In roulette, you can bet on red or black. If you lose, you double up your bet and keep going until you win. The idea, one win, recover all previous losses, plus profit. In trading, however, it's not that simple. Unlike roulette, where the odds are fixed, in binary options, price movements depend on market conditions, news, volatility, and technical factors. That's why traders need to combine this strategy with solid market analysis. How the loss recovery system works? The concept is very simple. Start with the base trade amount, like let's say $10. For me, it's $100 usually. If you win, it's great. You keep the profit and start over. If you lose, you increase the next trade to recover the loss and make a profit. Here's the catch. You don't just double the trade. The amount must cover the previous loss plus make a profit based on the payout percentage. With an 82%, for example, a typical multiplier is 2.5. A table with a calculation for my strategy will appear on the screen. You can request in the My Telegram channel to watch it. Warning, by step 4 or 5, the trade size become huge. So guys, and now my favorite part, how you can use it in binary auctions trading. Step 1, choose a base trade amount, which is safe and comfortable for your budget. Please use your brain. Step 2, if you win, restart. If you lose, multiply it by 2.5. Step 3, keep repeating until you recover the loss and make a profit. And step 4, restart after you win. Risks. Why must traders lose using this strategy? And first, huge downs. If you hit multiple losses in a row, your trade size explodes. 2, accounts blow out. If you don't have a big balance, a losing streak will wipe you out from the market. 3, psychology. Trading under pressure increases bad decisions. Always like this. And now, tips from me. Instead of blindly using Martingale, set a max number of steps 3 or 4 maximum and combine with a solid trading strategy. Smart approach and the key to success. Okay guys, use Martingale with another trading strategy. Combine it with something strong. Use technical indicators to confirm entry points and trade with the trend. All about this you can see on this channel for sure. So also, limit your steps. Don't go beyond 3 or 4 steps to protect your balance. And also, only trade high probability setups. Avoid flat markets or high volatility markets. Also, stick to the risk management. This is important. Don't risk your whole balance on one sequence. Remember this. By the way, if you were also watching my trades during this video, you probably noticed that I didn't just explain the theory for you. I'm actually applied in the practice and made a good profit for today. So guys, remember, trading is not a gambling. Trading is all about strategies. What do you think? Have you tried this strategy or not? Leave your comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe this channel. And yes, of course, I'll prepare for you more and more tips. It's coming soon. Also, follow our Telegram channel. It's a lot of free signals there and much more. For today, that's it. I hope you enjoy and this video will be helpful for you. See you in the next one. Peace.